Not every military helicopter is built to fight. Some are built to save lives in the middle of danger. The Mitsubishi H-60 is Japan's versatile utility helicopter, used for transport, rescue, and support missions. It can fly in harsh conditions, over open seas, and into disaster zones where help is needed the most. Equipped for search and rescue, it can pull survivors from the water or deliver aid where no one else can reach. But missions like these come with risks: bad weather, low visibility, and unpredictable situations. Because unlike combat missions, there's no clear enemy, only uncertainty. So here's the real question. When a mission isn't about fighting, but saving lives under pressure, which is more dangerous?